You're wanting to go on a cruise alone but don't know what to expect? Are you looking for tips and suggestions for a successful fun trip? The first thing I did was search for the cheapest sailing in the port closest to me, and that's how I ended up on the Radiance. I wanted to keep my costs low, so I opted for a midweek cruise in an interior room. Cruises during the middle of the week usually have less people for a calmer, more relaxing environment for nervous solo travelers. But if you're looking for more of a party, I would suggest booking a weekend cruise. I got the interior room again. This time my bed is facing a different direction, and it actually makes the room feel a lot more open and spacious. I like to get the interior now that I'm cruising alone, just because it's cost effective, and I don't mind there not being a window just because I'm not going to be in my room anyways. It's a cruise. And then, just shower gel, shampoo, just the standard stuff. You get 2 beach towels. You just need to make sure you return them to your room or you're going to get charged. And just, closet space. Hangers. And this is actually a fridge, so that's nice if you bring anything back to the room. So for the first time, I brought my own Tupperware, and I also brought a mason jar. Whatever cup you want is cool. And I brought disposable coffee mugs. This really made my cruise way more convenient. But back to the tour. You got a safe in this closet, life jackets down there. This is just more hangers. So yeah, in this drawer is a hair dryer in case you forget yours, and then just if you like to unpack, just drawer space, and then just your waters. So yeah, pretty standard. And I always make sure I get my bed pushed into a king because it's just me. This is my first time traveling all alone, let alone doing a cruise by myself. But I just got done boarding, and the rooms weren't ready. The rooms weren't ready until about 1:30. So we had to go to the Lido deck, and I decided not to check my bag in with the porters for the first time. I thought I was just gonna carry it on to my room. But then I got stuck with my bag at the buffet. So I feel like next time I'll probably check my bag. I didn't realize the rooms weren't gonna be ready. But besides that, once the rooms were ready, I came down, and as I was showing you earlier, I have an interior because I'm not gonna be in my room anyways. And I'm probably gonna try to sneak in a nap until it's time for the safety demonstration, and I go find my muster station. Turkey or a bird? It looks like a turkey. Yeah. Did I get it right? Going to your muster station is so quick and easy. You're there for all of 2 or 3 minutes, and then you're on your way to explore the ship. See how you look real quick before you get off the elevator. This is perfect. Look how clear it is. After my muster station demonstration is when I usually head upstairs to catch the sail away party. I know this doesn't look like a lot of people, but keep in mind that I purposely chose a cruise during the middle of the week. You may have more or less people on your cruise depending on when you book. Usually, in my experience, the cruises on the weekends do have more people and a bigger party. So we just officially set sail, and I'm gonna head down to the room really quick. I'm gonna get changed. There's a lot of things to do tonight. I'm gonna definitely go see the comedy show tonight. I'm gonna go see what excursions I can book, and I'm probably gonna go hit up the nightclub tonight too. We'll see.
The casino is only available when we're not docked at a port, so if you were hoping to place some slots or try your luck at the tables, then your chance would be right after the sail away party. If you're wondering if you'll be bored by yourself on a cruise or wondering what there is to do, don't worry. Every single day there is an itinerary packed full of activities, shows, and things to do. And again, if you are wanting more people on your cruise, then I have found in my experience that a weekend cruise has the most people. I booked in the middle of the week for less people. So today we were supposed to be getting off at Catalina Island, but because of the weather, the water taxis didn't feel it was safe that they came to pick us up. And as you can see, the weather is looking kind of bad. But changed the itinerary last minute from a port of call to a fun day at sea. Hi! It's a fun day at sea. And I feel like they're prepared for these types of events because they changed it almost immediately. And it's just really cold and windy today, so everybody's got their sweaters on, and there's no one really even out on the deck today. One thing I learned about cruising is to be flexible. Your cruise itinerary can change at any given moment, and that's what happened to us on this cruise. We weren't able to get off on Catalina Island, but they did give us an entire new itinerary of activities, shows, and things to do since we were now going to be having a day at sea. And if you happen to have booked an excursion on that island, then you would be getting a full refund. One of the things our cruise did for us was give us free bingo play. So the cruise does try their best to do what they can to make up for the missed port. So I am currently on the Serenity deck and it is freezing on this cruise. I put shorts on earlier today and I took them right back off and put on all my long sleeves and warm clothes because it is freezing, it's windy, it's cold. I don't know how people are in the jacuzzi and how they're swimming today. I cannot take the cold. So they had some trivia games going on and things like that today on deck 5, but I just felt like now is the best time to get some lounging in. So what better place to do it than at the Serenity? Later that night, I decided to take myself on a date to the Fahrenheit 555. And if you're interested in the food, I put a link right at the top for you to check that video out as well. Good morning. I'm on my way down to the gangway. We are in Ensenada and I am booked for the horseback riding. My brother and sister did it. They told me to do it. They said it was an amazing experience. So I'm so excited. And I got my lucky hat on. I'm sure you guys have seen it in all my vlogs now. I love this hat. I'll never let it go. I'm so excited.
Welcome to Ensenada, everybody.
Gracias.
Guys, our driver's name is Carlos. Carlos is going to be driving us out to the ranch today, guys. My name is Miguel. Mucho gusto, amigos. Bienvenidos. Guys, the ranch is located, everybody, 20-25 minutes north from here. So it's going to be a little drive. Saddle. Once you guys are sitting on the saddle, we're gonna fix this stuff so there's the right length for your. This is the best view. I believe, guys, this is gonna be the best view coming up to the left right here.
I highly recommend this tour. After we were done on the horses, they had chips and salsa waiting for us and alcoholic beverages for purchase.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please stick around. I have so many more vlogs coming for you guys.